And alrighty guys, today we're doing another unboxing video, which I think you guys are going to be pretty excited about this one. Yes, it is a MacBook, the M3 MacBook Air. Let's get into it. Alright, so guys, we aren't going to need a knife for this video, just because Apple already gives us the peel that we can just pull off, so this should be super easy. Actually, okay, here we go. You gotta do that very slowly and dramatically, because this is an Apple unboxing, so like, yeah. Okay, why is it, what, okay, I got it. Okay, a little rocky, clearly a user error problem. I've only ever seen these in the store, so like this is gonna be the first MacBook that I ever own. My current laptop is actually a Lenovo Legion 5. I got it back in 2021. It's a wonderful laptop, but it is time to move on, which I'll explain my reasoning later on in the video. Oh, it's just right there. Okay, let's just put this down right here. Stuart, watch this for me. Got that, Stuart? Good. Okay, I suppose I should do it this way so you guys can actually see this. Oh. Alright, is this thing as light as people say it is? We're about to find out. Oh my goodness. It's actually really light. I think this is probably the same weight as like my iPad almost. Dang, dude. Wait, because it's wrapped up in here, I know you guys might be getting triggered a little. We're gonna put that right there. We're gonna go through the box accessories first. Alright, so, ooh. So in case you guys are wondering what color it's in, it is the midnight color. And okay, I like that they did the cable the same color, but I'm not sure why this is supposed to be white when the MagSafe charger is the same color as the cable. So this is a little, is this like a cover maybe? No? Okay. But that's okay. Here, we're just going to take this out because we're going to need this anyway. Okay. We'll just put that right there. It's nicely braided, super nice. I've heard the MagSafe charger is like very sturdy, but super easy to connect. All right, cable's wrapped up. We're going to put that over there for now. Oh, is this where the Apple stickers are? Give me my Apple stickers. Where's the stickers at? They gave us Apple stickers in the midnight color, by the way. Super cool. But we don't need this, so right back over there. Oh, is this the power watt charger? Now I had the option to go with the 70-watt charger, but honestly, I don't really need it. It's just extra cost that would have gone into the laptop, and honestly, I think the stock one will be perfectly fine for me. It's still a fast charger either way. But now for the main event, people. This is a professional unboxing, by the way, so like and subscribe. Ooh, super satisfying. I don't think I was supposed to take it off this way, but that's okay. Okay, I've heard rumors that this thing is a fingerprint magnet. Is this true? Oh, no, we're good. Oops. Be gone. So this is the M3 MacBook Air that just came out literally at the beginning of March, I believe, or end of February. But either way, look at this. Oh, I think I got a fingerprint on it already. Oops. Wow. We're gonna have to test the speakers on this thing. 100% we're gonna have to test the speakers on this. Now, I want to let you guys know something. Compared to my current laptop, this thing is very, very thin. It's extremely thin. It's very light. The other one I had by Lenovo, it was a great laptop, Ryzen 7 5700G. It was a powerhouse, but a little too much of a powerhouse. It would eat the battery like you couldn't even believe it. on all the battery saver settings, I was maybe getting an hour and a half to 2 hours of battery at most. That's on all the eco settings that I could find. It was actually, I think that was the maxed out eco setting, so it just did not stop this thing from eating the battery. Even using just integrated graphics, it just didn't stop it. So it was a bit inconvenient always carrying the charger, and the charger itself was not very convenient either. It came with a 230 watt power brick with and it had an RTX 3050 Ti, 4 gigabytes of video memory. So it was hefty. It was a beefy monster. That sounded really, really sus. Okay, so guys, to put it in perspective, this is the Lenovo Legion. It is a great laptop. Just the battery is not the most ideal. It is a complete powerhouse. The MacBook itself, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna hold both of them up. You see this? Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. But I love Lenovo. They make great products. And I did have a good time using the laptop when it was plugged in. It did do a great job, and it looks great too. But it was just a bit too inconvenient. It's big, it's bulky, it's very heavy, it adds a lot of weight to my backpack. Now, I've mentioned this before, I am a college student, so carrying a very heavy laptop in the backpack is not ideal, which is why I did want to get the MacBook Air. And for a few other reasons. One, because the M3 chip is extremely efficient when it comes down to like video editing, which this is not going to be the main video editing. I know there are probably people screaming at me saying, why didn't you get the MacBook Pro M3? One, cost was a big thing, and I don't edit on Mac as my main system. This is just on the go, lightweight travel. This is what I want it for. The MacBook Pro is more for like if you're going to be doing it regularly every day, which isn't my case. There are times I'm going to be editing at my house on my main system. There's going to be times I'm going to be editing while I'm on the go at school when I have free time, or I'm not doing any schoolwork, or if I'm traveling somewhere. So that's where the Mac is going to really come into that's where the Mac is really going to come into play. I did get it upgraded with 16 gigabytes of RAM, so it should be pretty good. The storage I did leave stock at 256, only because, again, this isn't my main system. I'm mostly going to be using like Google Drive on the side, so storage won't really be that big of a problem for me. I can make do without it, and I have a USB-C to USB adapter to put some drives on there, so I'm really not too worried about that. The RAM was the biggest thing, because the Lenovo had only 8 gigabytes of RAM. I thought it had 16, but I was remembering a bit incorrectly, unfortunately. And I didn't know much about PCs back then, so it is a bit my fault. But why don't we just go right into the MacBook and see what we're getting ourselves into here. Okay, how do you open this thing? I thought this was supposed to be easy. Why is this not? Oh, wait, I had it backwards. Oh. Nobody saw that. Oh, nice little... Oh, and it's starting up already. Okay. I do not want to get fingerprints on here, so we're just gonna move that down there. Wow, look at the presentation! Oh, you can see my Elgato key light over there. Here, we'll just put it like that so you guys aren't getting too much glare. Now, would you look at this? Okay. So I believe I'm gonna have to set up my account on here first, so I'm gonna get everything set up, and then I will see you guys in a second. And alrighty guys, we're back. The MacBook Air is all set up. Everything I need on it is fully ready to go. So I think before we end the video, I want to test the speakers. You know, for tiny speakers, that sounded pretty good. You know, obviously, you can't expect high-level quality in the bass and stuff. These speakers are small, but, like, the speakers were loud, so you're definitely going to hear it. It sounded very clear. It was very, like, doable. I mean, was amazing. That is honestly probably a good like 8 out of 10 or 7.5, somewhere between 7.5 and 8 out of 10. But honestly, the MacBook Air is definitely very, very solid. I'm very, very pleased with it, and I cannot wait to start using it on the regular basis. So I think with that being said, guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's unboxing video. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, you smash that like button, don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys stay updated with all my latest videos coming to the channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.